Good afternoon, families. Happy Friday. I'm just going to share with you guys the information for today's worksheets. I'm sorry I didn't get to do it yesterday. I got really busy and was not able to create the video. So if anybody has any questions about yesterday's pages, please just let me know, and I can help you with what you need. Today is Friday, so you're doing Fridays learning math activities. Listen as your parent reads these math facts and see if you can figure out the answer. And then work fast and fluently to state sounds of the alphabet. Put up an alphabet chart and use an ABC and have your child state each sound for the letters. This should be pretty easy cheesy for them because that's something we do every single day in the classroom. Ask them about the phonics stance and they'll be able to do the whole phonics stance for you and tell you every letter and sound. So those are today's learning math activities. Looks like yesterday's reading page was very similar to the other reading pages that we did. Today's reading page is a rhyming page. It looks like they are going to look at the picture at each row and cut and paste the two words that rhyme. You do not have to cut and paste at all. They can just write the word. So for example, here's a picture of a cat. They will come down here and find the word that rhymes with cat. Remind them that rhyming words have the same middle and end sound. So at. So the word that rhymes with cat will rhyme with at. So they'll look and see, at, bat. They can write that in the box. So they're looking for rhyming words. It might help for you to write the word at the top of the picture. That way they can look at those last two letters. That helps them be able to find the rhyming word. So if they need that support, you can do that as well. And then it looks like yesterday they were supposed to write an opinion piece about which one they like better, butterfly, bird, or rabbit. So they should have just wrote, I like butterflies because, and then told why, making sure they use those capital letters, spaces, and punctuation. And then today they are sentence building. So their job is to put these words in order. My, do, like, you, bug. If it were me doing it, I would ask them, what does a sentence always start with? A sentence always starts with a capital letter. So which word do you think is going to be first? The word that starts with a capital letter, and I'd have them write it in this box and then have them write it down below also. And then I try to help them figure out which word goes where. A strategy I might use is, this has a question mark at the end. There's punctuation. Can that go in the middle of our sentence? No, because we don't have punctuation in the middle of our sentence. So ask them questions like that to see if they really understand the structure of a sentence. And then if they need help getting the words in order, of course, you can do that. Have them write them in the boxes. And then have them write the sentence below with the punctuation mark at the end, making sure their letters are nice and tall, their short letters start at the dotted line, and their hanging letters go below. And their math page looks like yesterday they were counting 10 frames, so they were just counting dots and filling in the boxes. If you have questions about that, let me know. Today's worksheet is bubble bonds. Ooh, this is a fun one. Okay, so they are trying to make the number that is on the bubble bottle. So this is 10. And so they showed part of 10 here. They showed 5. So your student has to figure out how many more they need with 5 to make 10. Excuse me. Sorry. There are several ways they can do this. They can do a subtraction problem, 10 minus 5, to find this number that goes here. Or if that's really easy for them, you can have them put up fingers. So I would put up 5 fingers and then I would count how many more fingers it takes to get to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I look and see how many fingers I put up. I put up 5 fingers, so I put a 5 there. So there are 2 ways you can do that. You can either subtract or you can have them use their fingers to find the missing amount. And again, this is a cut and paste one, but you do not have to cut and paste. They can just write their numbers in the circles right there. This one might be a little bit of a struggle for some of them. If it is, that's okay. Let them struggle. It's really going to help their math brain to work on this. So, help them a little bit, but definitely don't just be telling them the answers for this. And then this is a bonus page, 3D shapes. This is cut and paste. This is a little tricky because it's harder to write these words, but just talk to them about what a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder is, and have them glue the shapes into the correct spot. I'm going to put a YouTube video about 3D shapes on the Facebook page that they can watch, and hopefully that'll help them be able to sort these shapes. And hopefully everybody's been working on their social